Hello beautiful people, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a campaign and what's the requirement for create a campaign. So let me show on my screen. For Google ad, we need to know something about Google Ads campaign. So this is our actually campaign structure, and this is our ad account, then campaign, then ad group, then keyword and ad. So I'm going to show another campaign structure, something like this. And this is our ad account, then ad campaign, then ad group. Every campaign have ad group, and we can create a lot of ad group on one campaign. Then every ad group had keyword, ad text and landing page. So how many campaign we will create and one account on here, and every account we can create 10,000 campaign, and we'll create 20,000 ad group, and we will create 4,000 keyword and 300 ads. So these are actually another account. These are ad group need to targeting. These are our account. This is our campaign. This is our ad group. Then we will select some keyword. This is actually broad mass, face mass and exact mass keyword. So what we want to do for a Google AdWords, and we have already account. So for a campaign create, we need to set up daily budget. We need to target our language for our audience. We need to select our location. We will select our ad destination preference. Then we will select a start and end date for our campaign. For a ad group, we will select some keyword and we will select some landing page. So this is actually campaign structure, and we will create 7 type of campaign on here. Campaign goal, this is actually goal our campaign successful. First one is sale, leads, website traffic, brand and consideration, brand awareness and reach, and app promotion. We will create a custom audience on here and custom campaign. And here is our campaign type: search type, display type, shopping type and video type. We will see in later. So fine, now I'm going to create a campaign. Then we will select our account on here. Now I'm selecting the account, and here is we will play with tracking by GTM this account. Now we will see our sales, lead, website traffic, awareness, brand awareness, app promotion. So what is actually sales? This is totally e-commerce based, and drive to online shopping for phone calls shopping. These are actually lead collecting, something like this, B2B business or e-commerce business. And I have a website demo, something like this, AJ associate. These are actually higher education for United Kingdom, and they are just collect student information. Then they will contact, and they will meet some days. So this is actually B2B. This is actually B2B lead connecting and business to business. This we can use something like this campaign objective on here. And these are actually website traffic. If you want to traffic our website from Google Ads, and we will use this one. And here is our brand awareness. If you run a new business, so we want people know what is our business and what we do for this. Then we will select brand awareness reach campaign. Then after 2 weeks later, we will select brand and promotion and encourage people to explore our product or services. Then we will click lead or sales. These are our recommended. So now I'm selecting sales because of I'm directly focusing on e-commerce. When I select reach or traffic or product, and we will see one here for product, there is a video. And when I select brand awareness, we will see display and video. When I select app promotion, we only select app on here. And when I select location, they are showing performance campaign type or local campaign type on here. So now I'm selecting on here brand and awareness reach type of. So how many type we already know, display type and video reach. And when I select website traffic, then we will see one here, our e-commerce goal on here. But now I'm selecting the custom create a campaign without a goal audience on here. Now I'm selecting the search, and then we will select a continue, and we want to website visit, and we will put our website on here. So this is actually our website, and I put this website URL on here. And this is our campaign name. I type GTM and I'm click to continue. So this is the play on here, and when we select on the left, and we will see bidding, second one is campaign setting, third one is keyword and ads, extension, budget and review. Right now we don't know anything, just I click next to next. I'm clicking the next, and here is Google search network, include Google display network. So what is actually search network? These are actually include Google search contact also, and I already show some newspaper site showing Google ads. So we don't want this type of ads, so we don't want to show Google partner our ads. That's why I'm uncheck this box. Then we will select our location on here. Right now I'm selecting Germany. If you want to track more deeply, we will see it later. I'm selecting the language on here, so German. I'm selecting the German language. So right now German and English, these are our audience segment. So this is actually our audience interested. So if you want to track something like this, paid supply, I'm search the paid supply, and you can see one here, paid supply. Also we can create a custom audience on here first, then we will create a campaign, then we will select this custom audience on here, and you will see there have a lot of audience segment on here, affinity. If you want to run like woman t-shirt, so woman, so you can see when I search woman, so you can see one here, woman clothing. So I can check mark, and we will see one here. So here is actually weekly impression there. Right now these are not unavailable, then we will see it later. So this is actually targeting an audience, we will know it later, so ignore it right now. I'm clicking a dynamic search ads, so we don't want any dynamic search ads. Enter the domain, I put this on here, the next. So we don't want actually this. So this is actually our ad group, and we will make an ad group, something like this, ad group 1. This is okay, no worry about that. And here is our URL, exact URL, which one our exact URL, and I just type on here and paste it on here and add to one here. And these are actually ad, and these are actually ad title, final URL, headline, display URL. We will see now I'm clicking add on, we type on here. So this is actually I search on web hosting on Google. So this is actually our title, and this is actually our description, and these are actually extension, something like this. When I put on here, I just remove something first, reliable, I just remove this, and other thing is we add on here. Okay, perfect, and you can see something like this. So this is actually our website URL, final URL. We will see something like this, and URL substance prefix we will add on later. So actually for this template, tracking template, we will use UTM boulder. I'm search on Google UTM boulder, then we actually use this UTM boulder, something like this. We will put our website on here, then we will select the campaign ID, campaign source, campaign medium. When you run ads from Google ads, we will add something like this, Google campaign is Google. We will add names for Google campaign, we will add our Google campaign term, and we will add some content form. Then we will see these are very specifically on Google Analytics 4. So if you want to run Facebook ad, then we will add on here Facebook, then we will see very easily on Google Analytics 4. This is helpful for Google Analytics 4. Then we will put our website URL on here. So this is done. Actually, if you want to create another dynamic ad, we will select on here. Now I'm selecting the next. Then we will see this extension. Right now we are fixing the targeting ads, we have already done ads. Now I'm go to the extension, then we will see one here, site link extension. On the bottom we will see call out extension and call extension. So what is actually site link extension and what is actually call out extension and call extension, we will set it later. And here is I click the more extension, app extension, structure, snippet extension, lead extension, price extension, promotion extension. Then we will see every one by one this extension. Okay, now I'm selecting the site link extension on here. Site link text, I just put this text on here, and I just copy and cut this one, and here is, and our final URL is our website, and I just remove some content from here. Okay, perfect. And here is site link 2. I don't want this, and I just save it. Save. So we successfully create a site link extension on here. Then I'm click the next button. Then we will select the budget on here. So our daily budget, this is our average daily budget each test. So we select $10 per daily. We will see one here, daily budget is $10. So they are suggesting from Google Ads account 1 issue showing some error, for fix this. So now I'm clicking the campaign name. Then we already select the campaign name. This is our actually review for our campaign. This is actually campaign name. These are actually search. Our goal is purchase. These are maximize click. We already select maximize click. CPC we will also select 0.440. We will select something like this. Save it. And on here next. Right, now I'm on the review, and when I review they are showing to error on here. Okay, no problem. So now I'm on the keyword, and we will put our website URL, and we can select our advertising. Then we can create a suggested keyword on here, and they will suggest from their analysis our website. Then they will put some keyword on here. These are not actually our official keyword. We will find some keyword from here tools, and here is the keyword planner. We will see it later, so no worry about that. So next I'm clicking the next, and static extension we need to this next. So right now we select 10 euros next. So this is actually our overview for our campaign. Then we will see something like this working or not. So for our extension these are actually green mark, and now we will see one here publish campaign. Now I'm select a publish campaign. So you can see our campaign is now running. So I just need to add our payment info, then the ads will be working. Okay, so this is actually overview about campaign. So hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel for more upcoming videos. I promise you will never be disappointed. See you on the next video.